model and inspiration of the nursing profession. I know that when he was sent into heaven, he left the care of their sick to those of us whom you have blessed with the holy vocation of mercy. Help me to be faithful to that calling, so that I can do always the things you want me to do, and in the way you want them to be. Rather than my voice be gentle, that my hands may have the softness and sympathy of your hands, that my presence may be something of the hope and consolation which your presence brought to the sufferers of your day. I want to do all these things through you, Lord, but I know that I am weak and can do little without your aid. Please give me the aid this day and every day of my life, that I may always be what I know you want me to be, an angel in the sick room. Amen. Our new nurses will now be inducted as members of the Philippine Nurses Association by President Oscar Lopal.
Kapoy yung kamay.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako si Selena. Matagal. Ay buong isip at pusong nalulumpa. Sa harap ng asambliya. Natutuparin ko at isasagawa ang lahat ng adhikain at misyon ng pambansang samahan ng mga nurses sa Pilipinas. Paninindigan ko at ipagtatanggol ang konstitusyon at prinsipyo ng nasabing kapulungan